Greetings, future traders. I'm Abdul Shabazz from Some Real Change Stock Trading Group. In this video, we will continue learning multi-candle reversal patterns with the bearish engulfing pattern. The bearish engulfing pattern is a two-candle reversal pattern occurring at market tops only, making it a bearish reversal pattern. The price action leading up to a bearish engulfing pattern must be a downtrend. Ignore the pattern in a sideways or a downtrend. Price must be trending up. The first of the candles has a green real body as it continues the uptrend. The bulls continue to drive prices higher. The second candle is a red candle opening above the real body of the green candle and closes below the real body of the green candle here. Simply put, the red candle engulfs the green candle. Confirmation of the pattern is price trading below the low of the red candle here. And as always, more aggressive traders might wait for simply price trading below the pattern, and more conservative traders might wait for the complete candle body close below the low of the red candle. Now, let's take a look at the psychology of the bearish engulfing pattern to see who's in control, the bulls or the bears. Now, seriously, I know the name is giving it away, but just in case you've had a hard day, let me break it down for you. The first candle continues the uptrend and everything is looking bullish. The second candle ideally gaps up at the open here. However, price hits an area where the bulls are no longer willing to come into the market at these high prices, and some may be looking to exit their position and take some profit. Also, it is at this point that the bears find these prices attractive and enter the market in full force. The balance of supply and demand have tipped in favor of the bears. Selling increases and the price drops. The key to this pattern is the extension of the down move below the open of this bullish green candle here. The bears are able to deliver a massive blow to the bulls, completely dominating, overshadowing, taking over, in other words, engulfing the previous green candle. This will definitely shake the confidence of the bulls once confirmation of the pattern is reached here. Now, let's look at how the process of candle addition will take a two-candle bearish engulfing pattern and combine it into a single equivalent candle. The bearish engulfing pattern is made up of one area of price action, being with the green candle that opens here, goes to its high, and then closes here, followed by price action in the second candle gapping up above the first candle and opening here, goes to its highest price, then closes on its lowest price. All of this price movement is represented in this one candle here on the right. The body opens here, which is equal to the open of the first candle here in the engulfing pattern. The body closes here, which is consistent with the close of the second red candle here. Additionally, the high is equal to that of the engulfing pattern. Question: being that this occurs at the top of an uptrend, through candlestick addition, a bearish engulfing pattern becomes a, anyone? Red shooting star, a bearish reversal pattern. So remember, through the process of candlestick addition, turning multiple candles into one, you will be able to see what insight that gives you. So, which is more bearish at the top of the pattern? Will it be a bearish engulfing pattern or a dark cloud cover? Well, the best way to answer this is through the process of candlestick addition, turning these multiple candles into one candle. We just established that a bearish engulfing pattern is equivalent to a red shooting star. And in our last video, we established that a dark cloud cover is the equivalent to a green shooting star. And if you can remember or refer to your notes on the shooting star video, we established that a red shooting star is more bearish than a green shooting star. So a bearish engulfing pattern is more bearish than a dark cloud cover. And really, it's pretty obvious looking at the price action in the patterns. In the engulfing pattern, the bears were able to push the price down below the opening of the green candle. In the dark cloud cover, the bears did not display that much strength. They did, however, manage to close below the 50% level of the green candle, but not much further than that. Now, the moment that you all enjoy so very much, let's look at a few examples. Here, we have an uptrend leading into a bearish engulfing pattern. A large green candle was followed by a gap up the next morning, and then an immediate, an immediate rejection of higher prices. The bears entered the market in full force. The bulls are intimidated by this move and decide to lock in their profits by exiting their position. This move creates massive selling and further pushes the price action so low that it completely engulfs the previous day's bullish move and then closes below the opening of the green candle. Confirmation with price action trading below the low of the red candle send the bears on a mission, and you're either part of the steamroller or you're part of the concrete. And on this chart, we have some sideways action that leads into a bearish engulfing pattern with confirmation as price trades below the pattern here. More conservative traders might wait for the close of a real body below the low of the pattern here, whichever is more comfortable with you. We then have the reverse in trend and a massive downtrend. And finally, on this chart, we have a very strong bullish move. I mean, these guys are getting money. Then, all of a sudden, here comes a bearish engulfing pattern forming on the horizon. The bulls are like, no, daddy, no. And when confirmation is confirmed with price action trading below the pattern, good night, Irene. And what a drop it is. I'm from 850 to 750, a full $100 drop. Woo-wee. Well, that's all, folks.